Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling an issue some of you might have faced with 11 Labs, when the spoken text doesn't match the clone voice. Let's walk through how to fix this problem effectively. First, check for a mismatch in your voice input. 11 Labs relies on accurate voice samples to clone your voice correctly. Make sure your recordings are clear and consistent with the text you're trying to clone. Any variations or discrepancies can cause mismatches, and now, keep in mind that 11 Labs limits you to 5 submissions for voice samples. Once you've used up these chances, you might not be able to submit more unless you contact their support team. If you need additional chances, reach out to 11 Labs directly. They might be able to offer you more opportunities to submit your voice samples, if you're still encountering issues even after checking your voice and submissions, make sure you've followed all the provided guidelines and tips for the best results. Clear, high-quality recordings and accurate text are crucial for a successful voice clone, I hope these tips help you get your voice cloning back on track. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Have any questions or run into other issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.